Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Squarespace shipping through ShipStation, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Squarespace shipping through ShipStation, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the Commerce section in the main menu. Select the shipping option from the submenu. Click on the Connect to Shipping Provider button. Choose ShipStation from the list of shipping providers. You will be redirected to the ShipStation login page. If you already have a ShipStation account, enter your login credentials and click Sign In. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create a new ShipStation account. Once logged in, allow ShipStation to access your Squarespace store by clicking Authorize. Return to your Squarespace account to confirm the. Next, set up your shipping options in ShipStation by configuring your shipping rates. You can select carriers for shipping, such as UPS, FedEx, or USPS. To set shipping zones, go to the shipping settings in ShipStation. Define your shipping zones based on the geographical areas you want to serve. After configuring your shipping settings, test the integration by placing a sample order on your Squarespace site. Confirm that the order appears in your ShipStation dashboard. Review the order details to ensure everything is correctly set up. Once confirmed, you are ready to start shipping using ShipStation with your Squarespace store. Make sure to periodically check your settings in both ShipStation and Squarespace for any updates or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.